Alright guys, today we are going to do the recoil on a Stihl FS80R trimmer. The old one got pulled out. Rope. This is the last bit of line I got. I'll put the line in the description below. Let's get rid of some of these old job parts I did. I'll put the line in the description below. I'll see if I can find a whole recoil. Usually those are quite cheap, you know, as well. Sometimes it's just easier to buy a whole new recoil. This guy's got something crazy going on here. What is that, a rivet? Oh. You know, don't get a bolt or anything, just rivet it in. I don't know how I'm going to get that out. I mean, I know I'd drill the top off, but how am I going to get the inners out so I can put a bolt in it? These people, man, kill me. Alright, so anyways, normally T27, 1, 2, 3 of them. I use a stihl tool. It's got the spark plug socket and the T27 on it. I'll put this in the description below. Pop them off. Or the rivet wasn't even doing anything but filling the hole. It wasn't even holding it in. This is retarded. People, don't be retarded. Alright. Gotten it out. I got to get the metal piece. It's supposed to stay in there out. So that's going to be fun. Breaking that. I should just whack this guy for a whole new recoil, but it's hard to do a video on putting a new recoil on, isn't it? Alright. So we're going to get the rest of this rope out of here. You just heat up the end of the rope with a lighter and pull it to make it nice and hard and perfectly shaped. Now we're going to go ahead and put the rope through this and through here. Then you're going to tie a simple knot on this, like that. It's just a regular knot. Then we're going to pull this line out until this knot goes down into this groove here. Just use a screwdriver and shove it right on down in until it's all the way down in there. Small screwdriver or a pick and pull this rope out so it's like a loop, like this. And then we're going to go counterclockwise. You try to get it into this. I'm going to go one without it though. You're going to go counterclockwise until you can make that, you know, spring tighten up. Just do one turn first, release it slowly and get it in that, and then go counter into that notch. Then go counterclockwise like 2 or 3 more times, probably 3 more times. Pull the rope out all the way like that. Then you're going to slowly let the rope in. Like that. See, and then it's starting to stack up on top of each other right here, so that's about as far in as you want to go. See, it's getting stacked up. So we're going to put the handle on it now, burn the end of the rope again. So it's like 4 wraps total on this. Pull the old handle out, the rope out of the old handle. Alright, so you put the rope through the handle, and then you put this little spring mechanism through the rope. Then we're going to want to tie a knot right about there. Maybe give it a little tension and tie the knot right there. Like that. And then we're just going to go ahead and cut the excess off with a pair of cutters. Like that. We're going to take a little spray oil, rinse out the cup, make sure the dog ear is moving freely. We'll take a little bit, drown out in here, good and soak down. And then we're going to wring this in and out a bunch of times, lube up that spring really well. Give you an idea, that's how much mud's in there. But now it's good and lubed up. I'm going to find another bolt for this real quick. Got a bucket of nuts and bolts from all the 2-strokes I work on. Whenever they're junk, I take a bunch of bolts and nuts and stuff out of them just for spares. I got one, it's a little bit longer, but I'll put it in the bottom corner because you can go through, it's got plenty of space to go through there. So you see this gas tank wants to fall out. That recoil holds it in place. So we're going to go ahead, line the gas tank up onto the recoil. The orange cover up, get the recoil in place, orange cover back down where it's all in place like that. Sometimes you got to pull on this a little bit to get the dog ear to move in where it'll sit in. And then we're going to go ahead and bolt everything down. We're just going to get everything started first and then tighten it down. Hopefully these threads aren't fucked. We'll know in a minute. Just like that, she's on there and working again. I can't pull it over for you, but it works. I promise. I pulled it over. All right, guys. So you got the screws in there now. All right, guys. This helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Again, I'll put the rope and handles in the description. Sometimes they got the whole recoil, and it's really cheap. I'll put that in the description too. Sometimes it's just easier to pop a whole new recoil on there. This helped you out, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, show me a little support. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. More than happy to have a sponsor. Peace.